Ciao a tutti, bentornati a Learn Italian channel. Hello everyone and welcome back to Learn Italian channel. This is a free online Italian learning course for beginners. In the previous lesson you have learned how to conjugate regular verbs in the present tense. There was also a question. How do you say you work? A. Voi lavorate. B. Voi lavorite. C. Voi lavorete. The correct answer is A. Voi lavorate. In today's lesson, I will show you some spelling rules for verbs ending in care, gare, ciare, and giare. Let's start. Firstly, I will start explaining the verbs ending in care or gare. The verbs which end with care or gare, to keep the same hard sound of k or g for each subject pronoun, is necessary to put the letter H before I. For example, giocare, to play, is a verb ending with care. Io gioco. Tu giochi. Lei, lui, lei gioca. Noi giochiamo. Voi giocate. Loro giocano. If you hadn't put the letter H before I, its pronunciation would be tu giochi. Noi giochiamo. And this would be incorrect. I suggest to review Lesson 9 Italian pronunciation of this course. Now let's see an example with a verb ending in gare, pagare, to pay. Io pago. Tu paghi. Lei, lui, lei paga. Noi paghiamo. Voi pagate. Loro pagano. More verbs with care or gare. Cercare, to look for. Negare, to deny. For the verbs ending with ciare or giare, the letter I of tu and noi drops in order to avoid to put double I. For example, the conjugation of mangiare, to eat. Io mangio. Tu mangi. Lei, lui, lei mangia. Noi mangiamo. Voi mangiate. Loro mangiano. Now an example of verb ending with ciare. Cominciare, to start. Io comincio. Tu cominci. Lei, lui, lei comincia. Noi cominciamo. Voi cominciate. Loro cominciano. More examples with verbs ending in ciare and giare. Viaggiare, to travel. Marciare, to march. Now I have a quiz for you. How do you say you look for? A. Tu cerchi. B. Tu cerchi. C. Io cerco. I will reveal the answer in the next lesson. In the meantime, you can write the answer in my Instagram account or in the comment box on my YouTube channel. If you have any questions or suggestions, you can also leave a comment there. My Instagram is learn_Italian20. Make sure to subscribe, rate, and comment on my YouTube channel and on any podcast app. In the next lesson, I'm going to teach modal verbs in Italian. Grazie, a presto!